Ever wonder how Kubernetes prevents one team from hogging all the cluster resources? The answer is resource quotas. A resource quota is a Kubernetes mechanism that limits and constrains resource consumption within a namespace. Think of it as a budget enforced at the namespace level. Every namespace can have its own quota, ensuring isolated teams or applications stay within their allocated share of the cluster. So, what can you actually limit? Resource quotas cover compute resources like CPU and memory, storage resources like persistent volume claims, and even object counts such as the number of pods, services, or config maps. This gives you fine-grained control over both infrastructure and object sprawl. Here's why it matters. Without quotas, one application could consume all cluster resources, starving everyone else. Quotas prevent this by enforcing limits per namespace. When a quota is active, any pod you create must specify resource requests and limits. Kubernetes rejects pods that would exceed the quota, keeping the cluster stable and fair for all tenants. Resource quotas keep your Kubernetes cluster fair and stable by limiting consumption per namespace. Master this concept to ace your interview. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.